In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language settings on Ionos, one of the most popular web hosting and technology service providers out there. This tutorial is perfect for anyone seeking to navigate their Ionos account in a language they're more comfortable with. We're aiming for this change to be quick and straightforward, so let's dive right in. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and log into your Ionos account. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with the Ionos dashboard. One of the great things about Ionos is its user-friendly interface. But if you're not seeing it in your preferred language, it can be a bit of a hurdle. No worries though, because changing the language is just a few clicks away. At the top right corner of the dashboard, you'll notice a gear icon. This icon signifies the settings menu, and it's your gateway to making a variety of adjustments to your account, including the language. Go ahead and click on this gear icon. The settings menu will expand, revealing several options for you to choose from. Among these options, you'll find one that says All Settings. This option takes you to a more detailed settings page where you can customize your Ionos experience to better suit your needs. Click on All Settings to proceed. Once you're in the settings page, look for a section labeled General. This section deals with the basic settings of your account, including language preferences. Click on General to open up the options available under this category. Inside the General settings, there's a specific option for language and time zone. This is where you can set your language preferences and adjust your time zone if needed. Clicking on Language and Time Zone will take you to the page where you can see all the language options available to you. Now for the part you've been waiting for, changing the language. On this page you'll see an option clearly labelled Language. Click on it to expand the drop-down menu that includes a list of languages that Ionos supports. From English to Espanol, Deutsch, Francais and more, Ionos has done a great job in accommodating a wide range of users by offering multiple language options. Browse through the list and select the language that you're most comfortable using. It's amazing how this simple change can make navigation and understanding of the dashboard instantly easier. After selecting your preferred language, the last step is to apply the change. This might involve reloading the page to see the changes take effect. Look for the option to reload page after you've chosen your language. This might be prompted automatically, or you may need to manually refresh your browser. Reloading the page ensures that all elements of the Ionos dashboard update and display in the new language you've selected. And just like that, you've successfully changed the language setting on your Ionos account. It's a quick process that can significantly improve your experience with the service, especially if you're more comfortable in a language other than the default setting. Changing the language setting is just one of many ways you can personalize your Ionos account to better suit your needs and preferences. Always remember to explore other settings available in your account to maximize its potential. Tailoring these settings to your liking can make a world of difference in how you interact with Ionos services. And there you have it, a simple and straightforward guide to changing the language settings on your Ionos account. We hope this video has been helpful. Whether you're adjusting the language for ease of use or to match your browser's settings, Ionos makes this process accessible and easy to accomplish. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful guides. Your support helps us create content that assists you in navigating these digital tools with ease. Until next time, happy hosting with Ionos in the language of your choice.